If you want to change icon colors on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we want to open Settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down until you find Wallpaper and Style. Now over here choose Color Palette, and we want to enable Color Palette. In addition to that, you want to apply palette to app icons. You want to enable this option. And now, as you can see over here on the preview, we should be able to see colored icons. Now, these colors for these app icons depend on the color palette that you choose over here. So you can scroll through these options in order to choose a specific palette. But first, we're going to tap Apply in order to make sure that we are actually using these colors. So now, as you can see on the taskbar already, we can see some apps that have this theme applied. However, unfortunately, not every app is working with this palette feature. As you can see, some third-party apps, actually most third-party apps, do not work with this option. So you will see apps that stand out, unfortunately. So you can, for example, move them to a different app drawer page in order to separate it if that's how you wish it to be. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.